and as well as we can draw a line B to D. These are the diagonals of quadrilateral. If we draw a pentagon, it is a pentagon. Now it has 5 sides. Now we will give a name A, B, C, D and E. Now look at the A. From A we can see over here the adjacent sides are B as well as E. Adjacent sides are B as well as E. So that non-adjacent vertices are C and D. B and E are adjacent vertices as well as C and D are non-adjacent vertices. So we will draw the line from A to the non-adjacent vertices. So we will draw A to C as well as A to D. Okay, A to C as well as A to D. Similarly, we can draw from E also. The adjacent vertices are A and B, so that non-adjacent vertices are B and C. So we can join them. We can easily join them. This one and this one. Similarly, from D, we can see over here there are two adjacent vertices. So the non-adjacent vertices are A and B. So we can draw D to A, already drawn, and D to B. And from C also we can see over here. These lines 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, total 5 diagonals are there. In the pentagon, we can see over here there are total 5 diagonals. So I think diagonal, is it clear? So diagonal means the line joining to the non-adjacent vertices from the vertex. Okay? Now we have convex polygon. In a convex polygon, all the diagonals lie completely inside the polygon and each of its interior angle is less than 180 degree. If we will see a quadrilateral, then we can see over here all the angles, all the interior angles, that means these 4 angles are less than 180. They cannot be greater than 180 or equal to 180, as well as their diagonals are inside the polygon only. You can see over here all the angles are less than 180. Now if we draw all the diagonals will be like this. They are the diagonals. You cannot see any of the diagonals which is lying on outside the polygon. These type of polygon are called as convex polygon. This type of polygon are called as convex polygon. Now we will show you concave polygon. In the concave polygon, you can see over here, it is written that one or more diagonals lie outside the polygon. Suppose we will draw this kind of polygon. Okay, we will draw this kind of polygon. You can see over here, there it is less than 180, it is less interior angle of this one, it is not less than 180. It is a reflex angle. It is supposed to be more than 180. As well as if we draw diagonal, there is a diagonal, because I said that diagonal is the line joining of two adjacent vertices. So these are non-adjacent vertices, so that what we can say, one diagonal is lying outside the polygon. That means this whole diagram, whole polygon is called as concave polygon. Now we will read regular polygon. Regular polygon, a polygon in which all sides and angles are equal, then it is called regular polygon. If we draw a square, you can see this one is 5, 5, 5, 5, and the angles are 90 degree, 90 degree, 90 degree, 90 degree. You can see over here all the angles are same, all the sides are same. That means this diagram is regular polygon. This diagram is regular polygon. It can be like this one. If I say this one also, if we say it is 7 centimeter, 7 centimeter, 7 centimeter, 7 centimeter, 7 centimeter, 7 centimeter. How many sides are there? Total 6 sides. Now it is also a regular polygon. Regular polygon, they have to be all sides and angles same. Now we have to learn some of the formulas. These are, first one is number of diagonals in a polygon of n sides is equal n into n minus 3 divide 2. Number of diagonals in a polygon of n side will be equal to n into n minus 3 divided by 2. Now next, the rules is sum of all interior angle. Sum of all interior angle. Sum of all interior angles of n-sided polygon. The polygon which has total n sides. N can be any number. It is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Any number it can be. So the rules is yeah, 2n minus 4 right angle, which means n minus 2 into 180 degree. You can write also this one. Then measure of each interior angle of regular n-sided polygon. Regular n-sided polygon means there can be any number of sides and all the sides has to be same. Will be equals to 2n minus 4 right angle, 2n minus 4 right angle divided by n. 2n minus 4 right angle divided by n. Now there is a rule that sum of n exterior angle will always be 360 degree. Will always be 360 degree, which means 4 right angles. Now next one, which is if a regular polygon, if a regular polygon, if a regular polygon has n sides, then it its each exterior angle will be equals to 360 degree divided by n. Suppose there is a polygon which has n sides, and you have to find each and every exterior angle. Then what you have to do? You have to divide by n with 360. Now also, if there is given that number of side is each exterior angle is given, then you have to find number of sides. How can you find number of sides of regular polygon will be equals to 360 degree divided by measure of each exterior angle, measure of each exterior angle. You can pause it and you can copy it afterwards. You can play again. Okay. Now we will see the question number 1a. The question number 1a says, this is the diagram, you have to find the value of x. Now you can see over here, this is the value of x. Now this is a line, and there are two angles, they are lying on the same line, so that their sum will be 180, so that this one has to be 180 minus x. This one has to be 180 minus x, and this is 90 degree because it is perpendicular. So that we know that their sum are, since sum of all interior angle, they are all interior angle. So that sum of all interior angle is how much? Is n minus 2 into 180. So that what can we write? Their sum, that means 85 plus 120 plus 180 minus x plus 2x minus 10 plus 90 will be equals to n. How many sides are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means 5 minus 2 into 180. Which means their sum. We have to find the sum. So 85 plus 120 plus 180 minus 10 plus 90. What we will do, okay? So that 5 is here. (465) plus x, because 2x minus x is x, which is equal 3 into 180, which means x plus x will be equals to 3 into 180 means 0. 540 minus 465, which means x equals to 5, 7, 75 degree. x will be equals to 75 degree. Now in this question we have to find all the we have to find the value of x. You can see over here all the angles are exterior angle, so that their sum will be equals to 360 degree, because that was given. Now 4x plus x plus 5x plus 4x. So 4 plus 5 is 5, 10, 14. 14x, then minus 5, 10, 20. So 360 minus 10, which will be 14x equals to 350, which will be x equals to 350 divided by 14. 7, if you cut by 7, then it is 2, then it is 50. Again cut with 2, 25. So that x will be equals to 25 degree. Okay.